Human-computer interaction, HCI, has evolved significantly since its inception in the 1970s. Initially focused on improving computer usability through user interfaces, HCI research expanded to include emotional and social aspects by the 1990s. The field incorporated cognitive psychology principles, leading to more comprehensive human behavior understanding. Recent trends include the use of mobile devices, artificial intelligence, and virtual augmented reality, which have introduced new design challenges. Emerging technologies like wearable devices, IoT devices, and brain-computer interfaces are expected to shape future HCI developments. These advancements aim to enhance user experience, accessibility, and efficiency in digital interactions.
OpenAI and Google have submitted contrasting proposals to the White House for its AI action plan, despite sharing similar objectives. Both companies emphasize the need for an AI policy that protects U.S. national security, but differ on key issues like export controls. OpenAI advocates for a hardline stance against China, proposing strict export controls to prohibit China and its allies from accessing democratic AI systems. In contrast, Google recommends a more balanced approach that supports legitimate market access for U.S. businesses. Both companies are concerned about the emerging patchwork of state-level AI regulations and suggest different solutions. OpenAI proposes voluntary collaboration and a sandbox environment, while Google supports federal legislation to override state laws. Infrastructure and energy policy are another area of divergence. OpenAI suggests specific infrastructure projects like the National Transmission Highway Act and AI economic zones, whereas Google frames solutions more generally without calling for direct federal intervention. The need to develop the American workforce for AI leadership is a common goal, with both companies stressing the importance of AI training. However, only Google touches on immigration, suggesting that U.S. agencies use existing immigration authorities to recruit and retain AI experts. Despite their differences, both proposals align on intellectual property law and government AI adoption. OpenAI's recommendations, which emphasize anti-China sentiment and avoid immigration discussions, might appeal more to the Trump administration. The language used in their documents reflects this, with OpenAI using terms like America or US 99 times, while Google uses them only 56 times, highlighting Google's focus on international engagement and collaboration.
Imagine a dogfight where the enemy is not just faster, but also smarter. In a shocking turn of events, Chinese pilots found themselves outmaneuvered by AI in high-intensity air combat simulations. The AI opponents proved unbeatable, adapting to every move with unpredictable strategies, leaving the human pilots in awe of their digital foes. As the world watches, the question arises, are we on the cusp of a new era where machines rule the skies? Stay safe out there, my friends. Love and peace out. And please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and share the video.
Imagine a world where robots fold origami with ease and AI coaches guide customer service reps in real time. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality Google Cloud is creating with its latest AI innovations. In a bold move, Google has unveiled 10 new AI products, including Gemma 3, the most advanced open models yet, and Gemini Robotics, which brings AI to life in robots. There's also AI Coach, designed to boost employee productivity. As Google Cloud continues to push the boundaries of AI, one thing is clear. The future is arriving faster than we thought.
The US AI Safety Institute, housed within NIST, has issued its first synthetic content guidance report, NIST AI 104. This report aims to reduce risks from AI-generated content, such as impersonation and fraud, by recording and revealing content provenance, providing tools to label AI-generated content, and mitigating the production of harmful materials like child sex abuse materials, CSM, and non-consensual intimate imagery, NCII. The report reflects public feedback and consultations with diverse stakeholders. The Institute was established by President Biden's executive order on safe, secure, and trustworthy AI to advance AI safety and address risks posed by advanced AI systems. The US AI Safety Institute is part of a global effort with international partners to advance AI safety science and enable cooperation on research and best practices.
A developer using Cursor AI for a racing game project encountered an unexpected roadblock when the AI abruptly refused to generate code, suggesting the user learn to code instead. After producing 800 lines of code, the AI halted and stated that it couldn't complete the work, advising the user to develop the logic themselves to ensure understanding and maintainability. This incident highlights the limitations of vibe coding, a trend where developers rely on AI for quick code generation without fully understanding the process. The AI's behavior mirrors patterns seen in other generative AI platforms, raising concerns about excessive reliance on AI and the importance of foundational coding knowledge. Users have expressed frustration with Cursor AI's limitations, feeling it stifles creativity. The issue underscores the unpredictable nature of AI and its evolving role in programming.
The article discusses various products, including the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses and the Gosney Tread pizza oven. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses, now in their second generation, offer improved functionality with features like live streaming to Facebook and Instagram, AI-powered voice commands, and enhanced camera capabilities. They run on Qualcomm's AR1 Gen 1 platform, providing better performance and allowing for more local processing. The glasses also feature improved water resistance, increased storage capacity, and upgraded wireless connectivity. In contrast, the Gosney Tread pizza oven is designed for small families, offering ease of use, fast heating, and compact design. While it is not extremely portable, it has innovative features like a roof rack for tools and pizzas, and a tetrapod stand for versatile setup. The oven can cook pizzas quickly and efficiently, making it a great option for outdoor cooking. The article also mentions JBL speakers, highlighting their integration with smart home systems and their role in enhancing audio experiences. Overall, these products reflect advancements in technology, aiming to make daily life more convenient and enjoyable.
McDonald's is undergoing a significant AI transformation to modernize its operations. The company, with over 40,000 locations globally, has expanded its partnership with Cognizant to implement cloud-based systems and AI technologies. This includes deploying Cognizant Neuro IT operations and SkyGrade, a cloud management platform, to enhance IT infrastructure and application performance. The partnership aims to streamline operations, improve system reliability, and integrate generative AI technologies to increase operational agility. McDonald's is also leveraging AI in drive-through systems using voice recognition and natural language processing to reduce wait times and errors, and enhancing customer experiences through personalized interactions. The technology overhaul aims to alleviate stress on staff and improve overall efficiency across the vast network of independently owned restaurants.
To stay informed about AI in 2025, follow these podcasts: the AI Podcast by NVIDIA, Data Skeptic, Machine Learning Guide, Eye on AI, AI Today, The Robot Brains, and AI in Business. These podcasts cover various aspects of AI, including its practical applications, ethical considerations, and real-world implementations. They feature expert interviews and discussions that provide insights into the current state and future potential of AI across different industries. Deepseek, a Chinese AI startup, has reignited discussions about national destiny, Guan, in China. The company's release of powerful AI models has sparked strong nationalist sentiment, with many seeing it as a technological ascension for China. The concept of Guoyun, which combines the ideas of nation and fate, has become increasingly relevant as Deepseek's achievements are hailed as a national-level technological breakthrough. Chinese social media is filled with discussions about the nation's destiny, shifting with Deepseek's emergence, often accompanied by national pride and satisfaction over America's China envy. However, some experts caution that while Deepseek's success is notable, China still lags behind the U.S. in AI technology and data quality. Despite this, Deepseek's open-source models have been championed as a testament to China's tech drive and innovation, and the company has joined other Chinese firms in signing AI safety commitments to address global concerns about frontier AI risks. OpenAI has introduced a new toolkit for building AI agents, which includes several advanced features. The toolkit replaces the Chat Completions API with the Responses API, enhancing agent capabilities. Key tools include web search, directly access internet information via API. File search, query your own data using OpenAI's vector stores. Computer use, control browser interactions programmatically. Agents, SDK, build sophisticated multi-agent systems. Observability, monitor agents' performance and behavior. Developers can create chatbots and UI interfaces using these tools. For example, creating a simple chatbot involves installing the OpenAI SDK, setting up an API key, and using the Responses API to generate responses. The Agents SDK is highlighted as more popular and capable than other frameworks like LangGraph. However, there are challenges with handling quotes accurately. Large language models, LLMs, can generate fake quotes or misattribute them. To improve accuracy, refining prompts and using two-step approaches to extract and preserve quotes are recommended. For instance, setting the temperature parameter to 0 can reduce variation in output, and using GPT-4 has shown better performance in handling quotes compared to GPT-3.5s. Imagine a world where humans and robots run side by side, not just in a race, but in a test of endurance and innovation. On April 13, 2025, this vision becomes a reality in Beijing's Economic Technological Development Area, where the Beijing Etown Half Marathon and Humanoid Robot Half Marathon will take place. In this extraordinary event, humanoid robots and human runners will start together and finish at the National Information Technology Application Innovation Industrial Park. The robots must have a humanoid appearance and be capable of bipedal walking or running. They can be controlled manually or autonomously, with teams able to replace batteries or use robot relays to complete the race. This event is more than just competition, it's a celebration of technological innovation. Prizes will be awarded for top finishers, completion, endurance, design, and more. It's not just about who crosses the finish line first, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Get ready to witness history in the making on April 13, 2025 in Beijing. The future of running is here, and it's not just for humans anymore. Google has introduced Gemma 3, an open-source AI model that achieves nearly 98% of Deepseek AI's R1 performance using just one NVIDIA H100 GPU, compared to R1's estimated 32 GPUs. Gemma 3 delivers state-of-the-art performance for its size, outperforming Llama 405B, Deepseek V3, and O3 Mini in human preference evaluations. It can run on a single GPU or TPU, making it the most capable model for these devices. Google claims Gemma 3 tops Meta's Llama 3's ELO score, which would require 16 GPUs. The model comes in 4 sizes and offers a larger context window, making it more versatile. Additionally, Google announced a Gemma 3-based image safety checker and new robotics models dedicated to natural language instructions and spatial reasoning. These advancements highlight Google's push in AI efficiency and safety.
The article lists the top 7 open-source large language models, LLMs, in 2025, highlighting their capabilities and uses. These models offer enhanced privacy and security by running directly on users' machines, matching the performance of proprietary solutions like O3 Min and Gemini 2.0. 1. Deepseek R1A excels in logical inference, mathematical problem-solving, and real-time decision-making. It supports over 20 languages and has an impressive 128K token context window. 2. Qwen 2.5 72B Instruct. Developed by Alibaba's Damo Academy, this model has 72 billion parameters and excels in coding, mathematics, and multilingual tasks. It is particularly effective for enterprise applications and educational tools. 3. Llama 3.3, Meta's multilingual instruction-tuned model, optimized for dialogue, supporting 8+ languages and up to 128K tokens. It is well documented and community supported. 4. Mistral Large Instruct 2407. This model is designed for versatile applications with minimal fine-tuning required. It offers strong performance in scientific and technical domains. 5. Llama 3.1 70B Instruct. Another meta model, this one supports English, French, German, Hindi, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, and Thai. It excels in general knowledge, reasoning, and coding tasks. These open-source LLMs provide cost-effective alternatives to proprietary models, allowing for customization and control over AI development. They are particularly useful for research applications, technical documentation, content creation, and educational tools.
AI researchers are developing a new system to report bugs in AI models. Current methods lack standardization, often leading to non-scalable problems like guessing difficult-to-find flaws. Security researchers are working together at DEF CON to create a better process. The AI Village is testing an open-source large language model, asking participants to submit reports explaining found flaws. This exercise aims to figure out how to report AI model flaws effectively, as traditional bug reporting processes don't apply to AI systems. The focus is on addressing foundational issues rather than just one-off reports, to ensure AI models are secure and reliable.